We are getting ready for Supras in Vegas, guys. Getting gas. Ooh. What was that? Spot cleaning.
What's up, guys? We are, what is it, Tuesday, day before leaving to Supras in Vegas. I guess that's better. We're packing up the trailer, getting Ruby and Clyde ready. So we're gonna go fill them up with gas now, so we don't have to worry about it for the scenic cruise down in Vegas, which is Thursday. And we're going to the Valley of Fire.
And that's like a 50-mile scenic drive. So that'll be fun.
Yeah, so we've never been. Looks pretty cool on the pictures in Google, but enjoy our prep. And we're gonna try to record and post videos while we're in Vegas, so everything is more real time instead of posting all the SIV stuff 2 weeks later like we did last year. So hopefully we can post every single day so you guys can see the events as they're happening.
Hopefully.
We'll see. This is what happens when you own hella white seats.
This is called ghetto spot treatment.
The smallest little spots that show up, you have to clean it. So she has some alcohol pads.
A generic one.
And she's cleaning her seats. Meanwhile, my black seats are wonderful, and they're probably dirty as shit, but you can't see anything. It's not fair. Hers starts right up. I'm not even gonna show you my startup. Gotta show off our trailer sticker. Got that already. Now we're official. We look official for SIV. Now when people see us driving that big ass trailer on the freeway, they know exactly who we are. There's Panda. They're all fueled up. I just had to listen to that purr one more time. Whew, can't get over that. But we have some couple last minute designs on shirts that we're gonna print. Anybody that is in SIV is gonna get an exclusive first look and first dibs on our new designs that haven't been released on the website yet, so. Hi, boys. Oh, hello, janitor. You cleaning our toilets today?
Actually, tip for you guys, if you guys have dry hands, which I do, put some like Aquaphor on or whatever, put a glove on, it traps the moisture, and then when you take it off, you have like superpower soft skin. Superhero soft skin. It's amazing.
I don't know what superhero is known for their soft skin. Anyway, she's gonna go clean the toilet. That was a nice excuse. But like I said, we are loading up. This is our new shelving for our shirt booths at the car events. We are printing a new design right here, not yet released. So everybody in SIV is gonna be the first to get dibs on it, like I was saying before it's even available online. But we have about, I think, 8 different designs that we're gonna launch, as well as a lot more accessories.
Yep. Don't forget we have hoodies and shop shirts, as well as t-shirts.
Yep. And then, should we tell them what we're gonna have launching, releasing? Maybe?
Why not? You already started it.
Sure, okay. So with the new designs, the new design t-shirts, we're gonna have water bottles, like the stainless steel water bottles. Should we show them or just tell them?
I want to be Janitor Vanna White. So come over. Let's just show them.
Okay, we're gonna show you guys. If you guys follow our YouTube, congratulations, you get to see it before anybody else. Lucky you. But we have a stainless steel water bottle. I'll show you that right now. Oh, demonstration.
So good.
Okay.
So good.
But we got our logo on it, kind of a new designed logo, We Ride. But it has a filter in it. Anybody that likes tea or coffee grounds, I don't know. But airtight seal on it, stainless steel. Okay, Vanna White, where are you at? You're supposed to demonstrate all this. There we go, okay. We have a couple new keychains that we're bringing out. So a red one, and then kind of has one of our new t-shirt designs in it. And then our old paint design, the We Ride paint on a black keychain. So kind of cool. And then a couple hats. So these are our flat brim? Yeah, flat brim snapback is what I guess is what you call it. So we have just the big WR on it. And then this is kind of the offset of our new design on that panel.
My favorite, duffel bag. Super thick, nice quality.
So this is pretty nice. It's like those drawstring bags that you see, but most of those are super, super cheap and thin and flimsy. This is, I mean, you can hear just how thick it is. And these drawstrings, they're not drawstrings, they're like draw ropes. But it also has a little zipper on the front, so a little pouch on the front. And then our new design, or one of our new designs.
And it's a pretty deep, big pouch too.
Look at that. No longer do you need to bring your own backpack. We Ride has your back. Yeah. And then we have a couple pop sockets, a couple different pop sockets that we're gonna introduce once Vanna White is done farting around over there. Okay. We got nipple sockets.
So funny.
So same thing, we decided to come out with a red one, kind of like the keychain with that pattern on it. And then we like our badge, so we figured we'd throw it on a black one. So cool pop sockets, really good quality, has the 3M adhesive on it.
And it has the adhesive for all those new iPhones with the glass backs. Because the 3Ms don't work on those backs.
Yeah, so anybody that's tried pop sockets, I guess on the iPhone glass, it doesn't stick very well. With these, when you buy them, we'll send it with the adapter that makes it stick to that glass. So there you have it. You guys have seen it first. Anybody that's gonna be an SIV is gonna have access to them first. And then hopefully, keeps getting pushed back, but I think November, end of November, we'll have it all available on the website.
Just making sure we have enough production to keep up with all of the demand, hopefully.
Yes. So now we are gonna finish printing that last design, which goes right there in that empty spot. Throw this in the trailer, throw the Supras in the trailer, throw her in the trailer. We have another Supra right there.
Bad. Not ours.
Not our Supra, but we have, turn that on. We have a couple of the Pac Northwest Supras that are driving down through Utah and meeting up with us here to Caravan, to SIV, to Vegas. So this is Shay's from Washington. They're actually, her and Eric are picking up a second one in Florida, and they're driving all the way back here. So they left this one here. They're gonna meet us here with the second one, and then we're all gonna drive down. So that'll be tomorrow morning, and we will definitely record that. So let's get to printing. Maybe we'll see you in a little bit. Thanks, janitor. Oh, hi. Oh.
All right, guys, here comes the fun part for Jared, loading the Supras up. Aren't you so excited?
Best part.
You guys notice the new addition to the trailer. We finally got our stickers put up. Thank you, Jason Hoops. Oh, that reminds me, babe. We need to finish that.
Oh, look at that. I'll show them that.
The little adhesion thingy should not be there. So now now he has to squeeze the Supras in here.
Okay, you ready to guide me?
You know it. I'm a great guider. So far. You're good. So some of you guys wonder how he gets in and out of these cars. This is how. He climbs out the window, hands me my shit somehow.
There's shit in the car.
Sorry. Well, that's how he does it.
All right, and there you have car number 2. And they are so snug. Okay, that was kind of a, it's not hard, it just takes time. And the time is the strapping because of how low the cars are. Trying to reach the arms that we strap it to is impossible. So I'm gonna strap this one down, and then Eric's car that's meeting us here with Shay is having some overheating issues, so we are gonna do a radiator job. We're gonna pull out the radiator, put in a new one, get a clutch fan put in there, and then hopefully we're all ready. So late night wrenching before SIV. I'm stoked. What do you guys think about this decal? Kind of big and bold, but yet simple. Should we go something more extravagant or leave it simple and clean like that? Let us know, comment down below. You're doing fantastic.
These bolts on the trailer make it really hard. So we're trying to improvise.
Bubbling. We'll make it look good. And we have to cut out that light. Or just leave it blocked. Okay.
It is 12:30.
12:30 a.m. and we have to get up bright and early to drive to Vegas. It has been a long night. We've been printing shirts, ruining shirts. Eric and Shay have been working on their radiator swap.
But we made it.
Yeah, we're done. We're all packed up, we're ready.
He has to start packing.
Yeah, I have to start packing. But I always do that. I'm a late packer. Look, Roman's sniffing your car. It must stink.
Look. We got new stickers.
So if anybody has seen that big decal that's on the back of Clyde, we made a whole bunch of them and we're gonna start selling those, so if you're down in Vegas, you can cop one. They turned out really nice, really good quality vinyl too. Yeah, so everything's ready, everything's done. Eric's car, by the way, congratulations Eric, on your Mark IV Supra. It was overheating, but now it's cool as a cucumber. We'll actually sneak a peek at it real quick. It's a little dark, unless you turn on the light. No motion sensor? Nope, no motion sensor. But there it is. It's this cool, like, you can't really see it in this light, but it's like a magnesium pearl?
Yeah.
Magnesium pearl color. And then there's Shay's car. Oh, his and hers. So that's it for the night. We're done. We're gonna shower because we stink.
He stinks.
I stink.
I'm fine.
Holy shit. We're gonna shower up, go to bed.
Pack, shower, go to bed.
And then we will see you guys in the morning.
And then we're gonna bring our laptop so that we can post as we go.
So hopefully you'll be getting a video every day for the next 4 days.
But also follow our Instagram because there you can get live stories.
Yeah, a little more up to date. So.